Hey guys, Craig here from Push Patterns. Just doing a video today on saving in Ableton. We're going to look at all the various options and when is the best instance to use them. Okay, so let's get straight in and look at all these options. So I've created a song here that I'm happy with and I'm looking to save it. Don't worry, if you've created a song you're not happy with, you don't need to save it. But this one I'm kind of happy with. Okay. So we're going to go File and we're going to go Save Live Set. Okay, so this is the good option for saving something if it's the first time you're saving it. It's going to come up as untitled, so we're going to want to name something like something like that, and then we're going to choose a destination. I'm going to choose the desktop, and then we're going to go save. So now that's saved, which is great. Now the shortcut for that, on Windows it's Control S, on a Mac it's Command S. Okay. Now the next option we've got is Save Live Set As. Now what this will do, it will create another project within the project folder. So this is good if you're doing various mixes of your song, or if you want to change something but you're not sure. You can always keep the original and you could save this version as something else. So for example, here we got Push Patterns. I could call this Push Patterns 2. Save. The shortcut for that is Shift Command S for Mac and Control Shift S on Windows. Now let's look at the next option, which is Save a Copy. Save a copy. So this means we can now save another project folder. So when we originally save, it creates us a project folder. So if I go Push Patterns 2 copy, save, that's now created a folder for that project to live in. So this is good if you wanted to put it onto another destination, such as an external hard drive for a backup. Now the last one, Collect All and Save. Now this is very important. Okay, so say you have all your presets on this computer and you want to open up your file on another computer with Ableton Live. It might not have all your presets and your samples on there, so you could open up the file and it says sample offline. Now when you do the normal save, this save up here, what that does is it doesn't scoop up all the samples you've included in your live set from your hard drive. It just creates a shortcut to where they're stored. So I've lost a whole EP when I first started out because of this. I was creating it from sampled vinyls and I had it all saved on a file on my desktop, and I was like, oh, that's cool because now they're in the Ableton file, so it's fine. Hadn't done a collect all and save, and it's like, okay, I'll delete those files, I don't need them anymore. And then when I opened up the Ableton project, it said sample offline. Not good. Okay, so I realize now if there's stuff for samples I'm using from external hard drives or other places, or if I'm moving the projects from computer to computer, we do a collect all and save, and that's going to scoop up all your documents that you've used from your computer, all your samples, all your presets, and then combine them within the project folder. So let's go ahead and do that. And it'll give us these options here, which you can select if you want files from elsewhere, as if you've got files from external hard drives or your computer. Then files from other projects, files from user library, then files from factory packs. So if you've downloaded any factory packs and you want to open up on a mate's computer, you might not have them, so you can select this here. And then you go, okay. Now it's going to scoop everything up and keep it in that folder. Now, I don't suggest doing this all the time, only for files that you're going to be moving about. Say you finished a file and you want to archive it onto an external hard drive. This would be good then to scoop up all the files, put it away. But if it's just living on your computer and you have a sample folder that you're definitely not going to delete, it's fine just to do a normal save, and this will not make unnecessary copies of all your samples, because this could eat up your storage on your computer quite quickly. Okay, so that's all the saving options in Ableton. I hope that clarified any kind of confusion you might have had with all the different saving options in Ableton. And hopefully that gave you an insight into the different kind of situations where you would want to use the different save options. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to bang the subscribe button. If you have any topics you'd like us to cover, don't forget to post it in the comments below. We're always up for suggestions of videos to do. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a like, share the love, and hopefully we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.